Hey there, welcome back friends. These are the list of requirements, and in this video we will try to set things up to get started with development. So let's get started. Now friends, the first required software is JDK. Now simply Google for JDK and the first search result would be from oracle.com. Now friends, if we check, the current version of JDK is JDK 10, and unfortunately the version is so new that proper support of JDK 10 is not available with Eclipse. As a result, we will go with the older version of JDK. If we scroll down, then definitely we will get a older version of JDK, which is nothing but JDK SE version 8 update 171. Let me click on JDK download for JDK 8. In here, select the appropriate version of JDK. We will firstly accept the agreement and we will download the Windows 64-bit version of JDK. Click on download and your download will initiate. Alright, so the file got downloaded. Let me show you the downloaded file. Here is the file. Let me double click and start the installation process. Now the installation process of Java is fairly straightforward. It is similar to any other software installation in Windows. Alright, so here is the window by Java installer. We will go with the default options only. The installation may take some time. Alright, we will go with the default destination folder, and now the actual installation of Java will start. Alright, so let us wait for a couple of seconds and the installation will finish soon. Alright, so now the installation is done. Let us click on close and we are good to go. Now the next requirement is a web server. We would be making use of Tomcat. Google for Tomcat and click on this first search result. It would be from apache.org. And if we check the left side of the screen, we will get the download links. Click on the appropriate version. For us, the latest version is version 9.0. By clicking on the link in here, if we scroll down the screen, we would be able to get the link for 32-bit/64-bit Windows Service Installer. In our case, as we are making use of Windows based system, we will use the Windows Service Installer, and using this setup we will install Apache Tomcat. Alright, so the download has been completed, and let me click on this Apache Tomcat and the installation of the software has been started. The installation process is usual and we will keep everything as default, and let's proceed further. It will take a couple of seconds, but before installing Apache Tomcat, you must also have the JDK installed in your system, else there would be issues. Alright, so the installation is complete, and how to make use of Tomcat is something which we will see in detail in our forthcoming videos. Alright, so the next required thing is Eclipse, and we can simply Google for Eclipse and the first search result would be from eclipse.org/download. In here we will get this link of download packages. So click on it and we would require to download Eclipse IDE for Java EE developer, and there are two links. Click on the 64-bit link, and this link will help us to land up on this page where we have this download button. Click on this button and the download process will start for Eclipse IDE. And the current latest version of Eclipse IDE is Eclipse Oxygen. Now definitely this download will take a couple of seconds, so let me pause this video and download the IDE first. Alright, so the download has been completed. Let me open the folder where we have the file downloaded. Let me open this file, and inside this file we have this Eclipse folder. So let me copy this folder and paste it directly inside the C drive. Now friends, I keep the Eclipse folder inside the C drive for sake of convenience, and it's not mandate to keep the Eclipse folder inside the C drive. Alright, now once the extraction process is complete, we have all the files inside this Eclipse folder. We can again create a shortcut of the eclipse.exe file on the desktop so that we can start Eclipse quickly. Alright, so whatever we need is with us now, and in our next video we will try to set up the project inside Eclipse to get started with development. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.